What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I am down at the East to West manufacturer to do a little 2-for-1 video for you and show off the beautiful new exterior and interior of the Alta travel trailer land. Now, these are going to be some pretty quick tours. Today, I've got the 2800KBH, one of the most popular bunk models in their entire lineup, and then also their #1 couples coach in their lineup, the 2600 KRB, a rear bath floor plan. Now, if you guys are wanting full detailed tours, opening everything up, make sure to drop a comment on which one that you guys would like to see, because I am going to schedule a full shoot of the entire lineup here in a couple of months. But also down in the description, I'll put a price link where you can do a little bit of shopping. So starting off with the 2800 KBH, you're going to have an outside refrigerator, or outside, well, you have an outside refrigerator, but an outside kitchen. You can put about a 30 rackaroonie here. And then you also get a little griddle cooktop. But I love the exterior. Look at that front cap. I mean, that thing's shining up like justice with that little white light right there. But this is what I'm saying with the new look. New floor, new furniture color, and the lights. And that is super bright. You also got a little bit of a dimmer action there, so you can snuggle up with honey buns. You also see a big old closet, so you can do the kiddos' laundry, baby. You're also going to see a double over double bunk with a little sneaky peek door right there for maybe like bluey scooters or bicycles and things of that nature. Now, this is going to be a bunk model, but I'll tell you what, no schlub here on the bathroom. You got a lot of good space to kind of get dressed. You're also going to have a porcelain foot flush throne and a 36 by 36 shower there too as well. Pull out sofa here into the living room. Again, that blade lighting for slide height, you're probably looking at about 5'10" would be my best guess. And then you have another sleeper area right here with the dinette. So you can see you can lower that down, drop it on the nubblies. Now right across from your sofa is going to be your TV storage, obviously the AC right here. You have a 5-inch vacuum bonded roof. So this will hold up a little bit better for you in some, kind of like inclement weather, I guess you'd say, for the hot and the cold. Really deep storage, a 12-volt refrigerator, and then, of course, your 3-top burner to whip up all the fixings. You're also going to have really nice new cabinetry look there, too. What do you guys think about that? Solid surface countertops. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. You got the two-tone on the bottom with a flip-up countertop, along with your stainless steel undermounted bowl. Whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles. And you got yourself a little bit of a cup cleaner there. Now, here into the bedroom, I lifted this up to show off the construction of this. And you obviously have the feature of like the bench style right there as well. But they use aluminum here underneath the bed. And you got a little guy right there, hang a coat on me. But it's pretty darn nice because a lot of these brands are going to use a 1-inch pine. So just see that they took the extra care and the extra cost to do the aluminum is really nice. Second AC here above me, but you also got cubbies for like your CPAPs and things of that nature. It's also going to be a king size bed, which most of the Ahara or the Alta lineup will have that as well. TV backer right here with all the appropriate plugins. And then of course, you got your own separate entrance right here. But I mean, what do you guys think? Pretty darn snazzy. Definitely can't complain about that. So now let's go check out the 2600 KRB. This is going to be the rear bath model. And then I will go around the exterior of both as well. So that way you can see, where everything is located. But I got the kids' first football game tonight, so time is limited. But man, 3/4 fiberglass front cap, beautiful looking front cap. I love the new look. I like the red accent too that they got going on. But right here, you're going to see really nice storage there for you. So you're going to get a ton of options there. Outside speakers with a big old awning right there. And then your dual axles, and you'll notice how they're spread apart just a hair for a little bit more of a comfortable drive. But 2600 KRB here for you. And now this is going to be, we just had the family model. Now we got the more popular couples model here for you. Again, another large shower, the two-tone decor, and then the porcelain toilet. But I love the fact they didn't go with the dual vanity, that you get a little bit of extra space. You also got a mirror to check out the old bowling gun, baby. Suburban on-demand hot water heater, your control panel, again, with the dimmers. And then you also have kind of the same setup right here where you have washer and dryer prep, and then it's going to continue along on the same theme, except you have theater seating recliners across from the TV. Same basic kitchen setup with your 12-volt refrigerator and all your accent lighting, and then the table that drops down But then, of course, you know, you have your east to west king bed here as well with the same storage there up underneath. But that's really going to be the differences between the two is going to be this back half, whether it's for a family or for a couple. They have some really great variations there for you, but I really wanted to show off the new style decor. 81 inches of interior head height there too as well, which I think you guys are going to really like. And then as we flip around the side, you got the Suburban on-demand hot water heater, black tank flush, a griddle that comes out with a bumper and a spare tire, along with backup camera prep and a ladder to get on top of your fully walkable roof. You're also going to see the 50 amp connection and then your stabilizing controls with your sewer outlet connection down there below. Goodyear tires on these models as well. And then you're going to have, oh nice, must be each 4 individual. Your wastewater right there. And then this is going to be your docking station. So you have your battery disconnect, hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower, cable, satellite, and then for your solar, which each one's going to have a 200 watt solar panel up top as well, I believe. Spare tire, on-demand hot water heater, back over to the bunk model. So I love that little entrance there. It gives you a good view there. Ladder, backup camera prepped, and kind of the same thing as we go along, except this one has the outside shower located right here. Actually, is it? No, it's access to your dump valves, which is pretty cool. Black tank flush, sprinkler system there for your poop tank. And then bada bing, bada boom, baby. There's going to be your docking station. Man, I flew through that. I can't believe it went that fast. But all right, guys. Hope you guys dig it. Let me know which one you want a full tour of when I come back and hit these things again. But again, my name is Hunter, and these were the 2026 East to West Alta 2800 KBH and 2600 KRB. Have a great day. See you.